Hi guys, thank you for joining me again for another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Innes. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to draw a really simple cartoon duck. So we're going to start off with an oval shape that's been kind of squeezed at the top a little bit, so it becomes like a little bit like an egg. Then from the center here, draw a little line down. That's going to be your duck's neck. Now using that line, we're also going to go back here for your duck's body, and this is another oval shape all the way back there. Now we've got one more oval to put in, and again this one's kind of been squeezed at one end. So on there, and that is your duck's wing. Now if you watched my tutorials before, you'll know all about this line curving down there. That is the sight line. So this is a line that runs right down the center of your character's face that allows us to make our character look in a slightly different direction rather than just front on. A little line across there to help us lay the face out. And now we can start adding in some of these details. So it's a duck, so we need a beak. So first off, this is the top of the beak. Now we're going to go out to the side, come back again for the top of the mouth, come all the way down, join it up there, and then we're going to go down again and up and leave a little gap at this side. Because on there, we're going to do a little bump out, and that is kind of the side of the beak, so going onto the cheek. Very quickly, let's just do one line, another line coming over from it for the inside of the mouth, and there's the tongue obviously. Let's just shade that in. There we go. Now for the eyes on this guy, we're going to keep it really nice and simple. Just going to do two little black dots, one there, a couple of eyebrows over the top. And we're going to do a little tuft on the top of the head as well. Now you don't have to do this. For this character, there we go, a little tuft at the top there. Follow these lines down. We've already drawn these in with the guidelines. And then when we come down to the neck, this little line is a guide. It shows us where the neck needs to go, but we need the neck to be thicker than this, otherwise our character's head's going to fall off. So using those lines a little bit thicker, we have our duck's neck. Next thing we're going to do is along here, just over this bottom part of this oval, we're going to draw a little guideline across there. Because this bottom bit of the duck, we're going to chop off really. So let's turn this into some water. So our duck sat in the water, and follow that guideline down to there. Follow this one along the back, but then stop a little bit here and carry on down there. So we've got this little gap because that's where our duck's tail is going to go. And with the tail, we're just going to go 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have to be too neat at all. And we're going to do a similar thing to this over on the wing here. So this bit where the shoulder of the wing is, we're going to leave that. We're going to follow the wing back, 3 little bumps, all the way back again, and leave that little gap there. And by leaving that little gap, it looks like the wing is growing out from your duck rather than just being stuck on. You might see a little bit of that wing at the back. And at this point, here we go, we can add in a few extra little waves. Let's just shade that water in. You can do a few little splashes of water off there. And there you go. There is your really simple, cute cartoon duck. Starting off with some ovals and a few little lines just to guide you on the way. So have fun with this one. As ever, I'd love to see what you guys come up with. I love seeing the drawings you send in. Yeah, enjoy drawing your cartoon duck, and I will see you all again next time.